Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you a cool tip with your Apple Watch to actually allow the watch to actually speak the time. So you can actually make your watch speak the time. It's very easy. All you gotta do is, if for some reason you can't see this screen, or maybe you have an analog watch face or digital, it doesn't really matter. If you ever need your watch to read the time, it's very easy to simply get two fingers and touch the watch face. All right, so two fingers and tap the watch face. All right, so I've switched to a analog watch face, so it's sometimes hard to tell, so it works better on this one, but it should work on everyone. So go ahead and press with two fingers.
12:06 p.m.
Hope you can hear that.
12:06 p.m.
All right, so there's two fingers on the screen and it will read the time to you or tell you the time. All right, so I've switched to another face, which is the jellyfish watch face. And again, I'll show you it works. Two fingers.
12:07 p.m.
All right, so you see, it actually reads the time to you, which is a cool feature you might be missing on your Apple Watch. All right, so hope that was useful and see you in the next one, guys. Bye.